In this video, you're going to learn how to use the layer mask for non-destructive editing. The layer mask is used to hide and unhide a layer. We have two layers here, this and this. To create a mask, you select this and click on the mask here. That is this mask icon. You select your brush and you brush white or black. White is to reveal the top layer, while the black color is to hide the part of the top layer and reveal the layer below it. To change the color from white to black, we press X on our keyboard. Then we brush this way to reveal the layer below. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Please like, subscribe for more videos.